we are completing 60 years beginning this year in October. We were set up in 1966. Those are 60 years, and 60 years I keep telling everybody is the age of superannuation in the government, is the age of Sashti Purti. We are a 511 organization. So I am a hotel, so hospitality sector is what I look at. I am also a travel agent, and if you look at not just the physicality of being a travel agent, I am also an OTA, which means I am an online travel agent because most of my work happens, and then there is this contractual relationship that travel agents and hotels have. So I am also moving from technology to also doing the IPR, which is how I'm building my contractual commercial agreements. I'm also a marketing agency, I'm also an advertising agency, I'm also a brand positioning agency, and I do it for my hotels, I do it for my other verticals that I have. We are also a PCO, which is a professional conference organizer, which does all these Meet in India events, or the MICE, which is the meetings, incentives, conferences and exhibitions and expo. So I'm also that. So I'm a 5-in-1, and when you fold your 5 fingers, it becomes a punch. So ITDC is pretty much like that punch, and also one of the first. So if I look at Ashok Hotel in particular, you will see that there was a 70-year pre-Ashok and a 70-year post-Ashok. In that 70 years pre-Ashok, because Ashok is completing 70 years now, and it is the jewel in the ITDC's crown, if I can say, that 70 years pre the setting up of Ashok in 1956, we only had 4 hotel chains. So this was post-independence. We were the first hotel chain, we were the largest hotel chain. So if you look at the total number of employees in ITDC, we have about 19% are women in the overall scheme of things. If I look at the top echelons, we have about 25%, which is basically, if I look at the HOD levels, we have 29%, which is almost 70-30 in the top brackets. If I look at the executives alone, then in the executives we have about 25% women. But as far as leadership goes, yes, we are very pro women and we are oriented towards the women.